Are these two lines parallel, inconsistent? Now, of course, you know that parallel lines are two lines that do not touch. Okay, you know that. So the question is how are these two words related to each other, parallel or inconsistent? So what I want us to do is I want us to solve this system of equations using elimination or substitution. In fact, I could use substitution here. A good way to tell whether or not you should use substitution or elimination is simply, is one of the variables by itself? And you can see that x is by itself and y is by itself. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to subtract x over here so that I've got y is equal to -1 minus x. And then I think what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in right here. And we're going to solve this algebraically. Okay? We're going to solve this system of linear equations algebraically. So in other words, I took this, whatever this y was, and I substituted it in right there. And now I'm going to just kind of clean things up a little bit. This is -3 minus 3x is equal to 6. Now, algebraically, this is what is so significant. Notice that the 3x and the -3x cancel out. If you add 3x to -3x, it's 0. So what we are left with here is a false statement. Because we are left with a false statement, that means that these two lines right here are parallel to each other. They will not intersect. Y, I think, equals 6. 3x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, great. You can see the red line. And then the other one was x plus y equals -1. Aha! Beautiful. Blue and red lines, parallel, easy to see. Easy to see. And now I will also show you another reason why Desmos is one of my favorite online graphing calculators, is because you can click on these points right here. You can click on them and they will stay on your graph. That we solved algebraically and found that these two lines were parallel because what happened was we ended up with a false statement. All right, now that means when they are parallel, that means a couple of things. Number one, slopes are the same. And I don't know that I'm necessarily telling you anything that you don't already know. Slopes are the same, and the y-intercepts are different. Okay? The y-intercepts are different. But this word right here might be a new word for you. Okay? This is called an inconsistent system of linear equations. Inconsistent system of linear equations. How can we tell algebraically? We ended up with this funky false statement down here.